Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So we have a crazy good news. BlackRock has finally filed for a Bitcoin spot ETF. So today I'm going to explain to you what does it mean for the crypto market, and also I'm going to give you an update about Bitcoin and all the other crypto, and we're going to follow like an analysis to see what can be happening next. Let's get into it. Welcome back guys, Andrea here. So finally BlackRock has decided to launch this spot ETF. So BlackRock is the biggest hedge fund manager in the world, which they have roughly $9 trillion in assets under management. And if they're about to, I guess, launch this spot Bitcoin ETF, it means that so many investors will be able to purchase Bitcoin directly from BlackRock, which could, of course, bring the price to a significantly super high level. So it means that even if BlackRock decides to allocate 1 or 2% of the capital in crypto and Bitcoin, we could see a price surge of about maybe 200, 300, or 400% to bring the price, of course, to no new all-time high. But what's happening now with crypto, because we had a bit of a drop in the last week, let's find. So as you can see from here, Bitcoin on the daily chart, we're now in this ascending channel, and we had a little bit of a pullback right now from here, because as you remember, like I was saying in the previous videos, we had formed this head and shoulder on the top over here, and Bitcoin has gone down ever since. So what was happening before? We had this the price going down, then we tried to retest the neckline and we got rejected over here, and then the price kept going to go down. So again, if you try to see how low will be the target for the head and shoulder, we could see a target of roughly, here we go, $25,000 to $24,000. So that's probably could be it for the correction. And I guess one of the potential hypothetical scenario would be a continuation to the upside of that, and then to retest the top of the channel this way at roughly $36,000, because as you remember, we have a gap over there, and we might be able to go back this way. But if we break this channel over here, that it might be very bad news for Bitcoin, and then the next psychological level of support could be roughly at $20,000. So if we have a big drop from here due to FUD and bad news, then what I'm expecting this could be happening. Again, I think the higher chance will be maybe a little weak to the downside this way to pretty much make everybody scared, and then a potential pump to the upside. But I think if things don't go as expected, we might see a drop to the downside and maybe try to retest this bottom at or this support at around $20,000 to $21,000. Now it's interesting because although Bitcoin is going down, the S&P 500 actually is reaching new highs, which is interesting to see this kind of divergence, and it looks like it's about to go to reach this level of Fibonacci at $4,540. So in general, I can see the S&P and crypto to pump together. But nowadays, crypto has found more correlation with gold, which is quite unusual. So I guess gold at the moment is having a pullback as well. Whenever all this money that they're entering now the S&P, whenever the S&P is going to start to consolidate, we might see actually all this money transfer from here to crypto, and then Bitcoin, of course, could go to new highs. And the next one I want to talk about today is XRP. So XRP on the daily, as you can see, we are again also like in an ascending channel over here, but looks like that we are forming here almost like a head, like an inverted head and shoulder. So we have this shoulder over here, and then we're forming now one last shoulder, and also we are retesting this level of diagonal support from here. So it looks like what could be happening at the moment with XRP, we are probably forming this last shoulder, but also only in this time frame over here, looks like it's forming a inverted head and shoulder itself. So we have a shoulder over here, head over here, and shoulder over here. So I guess if we're going to be able to complete this pattern here with XRP, which in my opinion looks extremely bullish, the target for XRP could be roughly, see if I do go over here and then I draw a level of resistance on the neckline, so we might see a target of XRP in the next days or weeks of roughly 84 to 90 cents, which is almost 70-80%. So again, Looks like Bitcoin is in a correction, and it might get out very soon, if especially the S&P starts to consolidate, and then you're going to transfer all the money to crypto. So XRP also looks pretty bullish, but again, we have to just yet to see what's going to happen in the next few weeks. However, in my opinion, and it's not financial advice, I think that Bitcoin has to have to go down to maybe $23,000 to $24,000 before resuming the uptrend. I think that if I go back to here, what we might see at the moment would be, even if I go on the 4-hour chart, we might see a retest to this level of support here at 26,000, and then of course, this level of support now became resistance. So we might see like a climb back up to this level there, and then recharge, and then of course continue all the way down this way. So we still have to be a little bit patient, and also the other thing is although we are in an ascending channel, over here looks like we are actually in a descending channel this way. So if I go here and draw these two lines of support and resistance, so I'm going to draw my resistance over here, connected all these dots over here, and then I'm going to draw down this way. Looks like here we are into a descending channel. So I guess, in order to flip bullish at the moment, we need to see this channel to break to the upside. So I will become extremely bullish if we see a break to this level here at around $27,000, or I will become bearish if we break this level here at $24,000 to $23,000. So again, considering like a short position from here or a long position if you go there, because if we break at 27,000, then what I can do, I can calculate to see how high we could go to, because also bear in mind that this looks like a flag. So if I take follow the flag, from here, then it could give us a target of roughly, so if I calculate from here to here, and then I transfer this on this way, it could give us a target of roughly $35,000 to $36,000, which is a CME gap. So again, that could be my expectation. I think that we're just consolidating then to go to the upside, but I could be completely wrong and we could go to the downside. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was very, very quick today, but I hope it gave you a very good insight. So to summarize everything, it looks like BlackRock is buying Bitcoin, and if the Bitcoin spot ETF is going to be approved, it's going to be crazy good news for the crypto market. And also looks like Bitcoin is consolidating right now, and after $24,000 we might jump and go back up to roughly $35,000 to $36,000. Thank you so much, and if you don't forget to subscribe to the channel, it's going to help us. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.